This is the third part of chain device. In the last part, we have learned how we can transform any imperative sentence from active voice to passive voice. Now, in this part, we are going to learn how we can transform any tense sentence from active voice to passive voice. In tense, particularly, there are 12 tenses, and in those 12 sentences, only 8 tense which we can transform from active voice to passive voice. So, which are those tenses? First, simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense, present perfect tense, past perfect tense, future perfect tense. Present continuous tense and 8 past continuous tense. These are the 8 tenses which we can transform or change from active voice to passive voice, and remaining 4 tenses, those sentences of tenses which we cannot transform from active voice to passive voice. So, in tenses, we are going to learn how these 8 tenses we can transform from active voice to passive voice. So, first, in tenses, simple tenses. Formula: by plus accusative of subject plus rest of the sentence. So, by using this formula, we can transform any simple tense from active voice to passive voice. So, first we need to identify the given sentence is the simple sentence, and that simple sentence is from present simple tense, past simple past tense, or simple future tense. We have to identify this. Then we can use this formula and we can change that sentence from active voice to passive voice. In present tense, there are the to be forms am, is, are. In past tense, there are the to be forms was, were. In future tense, there are the to be forms shall be, will be. Always remember this. By using this, we can transform any sentence. So let's take an example. I play football. So this is the sentence. So first we need to identify what type of tense given in this sentence. So subject plus V1 plus object. So this is the formula of simple present tense. So this sentence is related to simple present tense. Then we have to identify main object of that sentence. So how we can identify main object? For that we need to ask question of what to the main verb. Main verb is play. So we are asking the question by the word what is playing, then we get the answer football is playing. So whatever answer we get, that is the main verb of that sentence. So according to the formula, let's take the main verb at the starting of that passive voice sentence. Football. Then according to the tense, take the to be form in front of that new subject. Object in the active voice, main object in the active voice sentence, that becomes subject of the passive voice sentence. So according to the new subject, we have to take to be form in front of it. So this sentence is from the simple present tense, therefore we have to use to be form of present tense as are. So what we can take in front of football? Football, it is a singular game. It is one game. In front of singular or one thing, we use always is. Then take V3, third form of the verb, past participle of the verb, play. What is the past participle? Played. Then use by. After that, accusative of subject. Subject of active voice is I. Accusative form of I is me. Then RS, rest of the sentence. But in this sentence, there is no rest of the sentence. Then you full stop. Let's take another example. Ram asked a question to his father. So Ram asked a question to his father. First, we need to identify this sentence belongs to which tense. So there is the subject, then V2, then object. So this formula is related to simple past tense. So then we have identified that this sentence is belong to simple past tense. Then immediately take in mind the to be form of past tense, was and were. After that, we have to identify main object of this sentence. To identify main object of that sentence, we have to ask question to the main verb. Main verb is ask. Ask the question, first question by the word what. Then we will ask question by what to ask. What is asking? What is asking? A question. We have got the main object. So object of active voice becomes subject of passive voice. A question. So according to new subject, we have to use to be form in front of it. So past tense to be form was and were. A question, it means one question. So in front of singular noun, we always use was. Then use V3. So third form of ask or past participle of asked is the same. Ask. Then use by. Then accusative of subject. So if there is given any name or any proper noun, so that remains as it is but as accusative. So nominative form and accusative form of any noun remains as it is. Then after that, rest of the sentence, remaining sentence is to his father. Let's take another example. She will give me. So this is the active voice tense and we are asked to transform it passive voice. So first we need to identify this sentence belong to which tense. Subject plus shall or will plus V1. So this sentence belong to simple future tense. So we have identified that this sentence belongs to simple future tense. Then quickly take in mind the to be form of future tense shall be and will be. After that we have to identify the main object of the given sentence. To identify main object of the given sentence we have to ask question to the main verb of that sentence. So main verb is give. Ask the first question what? What is giving? We cannot get any answer here. Then ask the question by the word whom. Whom is giving? Then we get the answer me. This is the main object we have got. So object of active voice becomes subject of passive voice. So when we get any object in accusative form, so when we are writing that as the subject of passive voice, so that time we need to write nominative form of that accusative form. So me's nominative form is I, and in front of I we use shall be or will be. We always use shall be. After that take V3, third form of the verb, gives, given, then by, then accusative form of subject. So what is the accusative form of she? It is her. Then rest of the sentence, remaining sentence. In this way we can transform any simple tense sentence from active voice to passive voice. Now in this side I am going to give you few sentences of simple tense. Then you have to write the answer of those sentence and give me reply on our group as possible as quickly or as soon as quickly. Now look at here. I shown them that day. The boy will come back again Sita gives money to Ram. He made a mistake we shall call the police. Right now. So these are the 5 sentences. You have to solve this sentence and give me reply on our group as soon as possible. So students, this part ends here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.